Since the speed of light cannot be surpassed, why is there any faster speed in the universe than light? Something that does not violate the laws of physics. Next, follow the captain from slow to fast. Experience a world of speed. 0.2 millimeters per day. This is the average growth rate of human hair. If you run 100 meters at this speed, needs 1,370 years. 1.2 centimeters per hour. This is the speed at which Escherichia coli moves in the human body. Although it's slow, but they have flagellar motors that are up to 270 revolutions per second. 0.04 centimeters per second. This is the speed at which the hippocampus moves. They mainly live around coral reefs near the land and shallow seas. Since there are almost no large enemy here, it also makes the hippocampus develop a lazy habit. Become the slowest fish in the world. Key 0.2 meters per second. This is the speed of the sloth moving. In order not to be preyed by carnivores, they have basically lived in the trees. It can also save your own energy consumption. Therefore, it has become the slowest terrestrial animal in the world. 10.44 meters per second. This is the fastest human in the world. Bolt once scored 9.58 seconds in 2009. Break the 100-meter world record. This is a seemingly bulky hippo. The fastest running speed, 16 meters per second. This is the speed of a huge grizzly bear running. If you are stared at by a grizzly bear in the wild, can't get rid of the grizzly bear at all. 36 meters per second. This is the fastest cheetah running speed in the world. Can run 100 meters in just 3 seconds. 50 meters per second. This is the speed of nerve conduction in the human body. When our fingers touch something hot or cold, the body can quickly turn signals from fingers back to brain. This will help us avoid danger in a timely manner. 88 meters per second. This is the speed of droplets that a person sneezes instantly. This speed is equivalent to the normal speed of a high-speed train. 108 meters per second. This is the fastest moving animal falcon on Earth, and they lock their prey on the ground in the air and dive down. Its speed is faster than the top speed of the F1 race car. 340 meters per second. This is the sound speed at standard atmospheric pressure. It is also the moment when the fighter breaks through the speed of sound. The speed of sonic boom. 354 meters per second. This is a propulsion car equipped with a fighter turbo engine. The fastest run. It is also the first car in the world to surpass sound barriers. 3,335 meters per second. This is the fastest plane in the world. It is a drone called X-43A developed by NASA. At one point, it flew out at a speed of Mach 9.8. That is 9.8 times the speed of sound. 18 kilometers per second. This is the speed at which a meteorite fell in Chelyabinsk Oblast, Russia in 2013. According to scientists' calculations, if this meteorite hits the ground, it will produce 200 times the explosion power of the Hiroshima atomic bomb at the moment of falling. Luckily, the meteorite suddenly exploded 24 kilometers from the ground. A disaster is spared. 195 kilometers per second. This is the fastest time the Parker Solar Probe has achieved. It is also the fastest artificial object ever. But the speed at this time, only 0.065% of the speed of light. 217 kilometers per second. This is the speed at which the solar system orbits the Milky Way. That is to say, we who live on the Earth, always moving in the universe at this speed, about 300,000 kilometers per second. This is how fast light travels in a vacuum. If we move at the speed of light, 7 laps around the Earth in 1 second. Flying to the moon takes only 2 seconds. Want to reach the sun 150 million kilometers away from the Earth? Just 8 minutes and 20 seconds. You must know, even the fastest man-made object in human history, Parker, it took 7 years to fly to the sun. Although according to Einstein's theory of relativity, no mass object can reach the speed of light. But there are things in the universe that are faster than the speed of light. 3 times the speed of light per second. About 1 million kilometer. This is the current calculation speed of the universe expansion, observation through the cosmic microwave background radiation, and the calculation of Hubble constant. It confirms that the universe is in an accelerated expansion state, the farther away from us, getting away from us at super light speed, but it does not violate the speed limit of light in the theory of relativity. Because this only applies to objects moving in space, but it does not apply to the expansion speed of the space itself. At last, infinite distance per second. This is the speed of quantum entanglement in the microscopic universe, since no information is transmitted between the quantums in the 2 entangled states. Minus 139,115,240,189. Therefore, it will not violate the light speed limit 245,167. It not only transcends time and space, It also subverts our understanding of the entire universe. Just as Einstein once said, the universe we can understand